Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share about my permanent eyebrow tattoo, eyeliner tattoo and kajal tattoo. First we will start with my eyebrow tattoo. This tattoo I got 4 years before in Gujarat. I'll show you guys in close up. It faded, but not that much. Whenever I met a woman or lady who came to know that I did permanent eyebrow tattoo, their first question was it painful? Everyone was asking the same question, was it painful? Pain will be there, but it won't be much. See, you guys are doing eyebrow threading, correct? That time, what pain you are getting, that same pain only you will get while doing eyebrow tattoo also. Eyebrow tattoo, see, they are not going to fill the ink like this kind of shading, like these kind of tattoos. What they will do, they will fill the ink and they will fill the color like that. But eyebrow tattoo, just they will make lines in between. See, in between your hair and every hair, if you just see, you will see your skin. See, on that skin, just they will make one line. That line also will look like your that eyebrow hair shape. So yeah, after doing this eyebrow tattoo, it won't even look you did tattoo or that microblading. It will look natural. So pain wise, same pain what you are getting while doing eyebrow threading, that same pain only you will get. Then swelling. Of course, swelling will happen, but it's depending upon your body type and immunity power. Because for me, yes, swelling happened, but I did in the evening time. So I slept, I woke up in the morning, it was completely normal. No more that redness, that swelling or itchiness, nothing. Then, when you can do, when you cannot do. If you have any function within a month or any party, I suggest you guys don't do, because maybe in that eyebrow shop if you ask they may say, "Hey, it will take only 2 weeks to cure." No, that is not the truth. It will take at least 25 to 30 days. You can consider 1 month for complete a cure, because after doing that it will look like angry bird eyebrow. Have you seen that angry bird, how it will look? It will look that weird. You can't even go out for at least 20 days. You can't go even out. It will look that weird. So after that, that peeling process will happen. Then it will look like a natural eyebrow. For that, you need 25 to 30 days. Remember that. So, if you are planning for any party or going out within a month, don't do it. If you have completely free time, you don't have any plan for a month, then you can do it. It will fade, but see, as I told you, I did 4 years before. It didn't fade that much. Very light difference only I could see. So if you want, you can do retouch up every 3 years once. And the main thing, don't think that once you do that eyebrow tattoo, after that you don't have to do threading. No, it's a myth, because eyebrow tattoo, you are making extra lines in between all the hairs. It doesn't mean you are stopping the hair growth. So anyhow, the new hair growth will happen. Even if you do tattoo, the on your eyebrows, new growth will happen. So you have to do threading. That extra hairs or that hair will grow little bit above your line. So you have to do threading after that. These are the things. And caring wise, maybe wherever you are doing in the tattoo shop, they will give cream. You can apply it whenever you are doing face wash. You can apply, then you can do the face wash. Even if you want to take bath, you can apply, then you can take the bath. And once you take the bath and or a face wash, after that you shouldn't. For example, I'll show you. Just take the cloth. You shouldn't rub like this. Just you have to tap it just to remove that wetness. That's it. You have to do like that. Carrying wise, you have to do these things. And then, yeah, this much only for eyebrow tattoo. Now we will jump to my eyeliner tattoo, eyeliner and kajal tattoo. These two I have done in Navi Mumbai. In my next video, I can mention which shop I have done and how much I paid. This now we will see about my eyeliner tattoo. This eyeliner and kajal tattoo I have done in Navi Mumbai. Eyeliner tattoo, yeah, first question, pain wise. Yes, it will be painful. And Compared to eyebrow tattoo, it will be more painful than that. Swelling, of course, swelling will be there. Eyebrow tattoo, my swelling has gone just 3 to 4 hours. But eyeliner tattoo, I think it will be stay at least for half a day. You can consider one day. So one day that swelling will be there, but it won't look that much weird. It won't be too much swelling. Just very light swelling. It will look like just you woke up and you came outside. It will look like that. And curing period, of course, it will take 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. But compared to eyebrow tattoo, it will cure a little early, so 2 to 3 weeks for curing period, and it will also fade. But I took this tattoo just 1 year before, so I couldn't see any difference. It didn't fade yet, not even a single percentage. First day how it was looking same, it is looking same now also. And eyeliner, this above eyeliner tattoo, they will make, see, your eyelashes are there, correct? Above that, they will make that line, and inside here also they will make that line. Itchiness and that redness, yes, sometimes because eyebrow I didn't get any itchiness, but on my eyeliner tattoo I got little bit itchiness. Whenever you get itchiness, you shouldn't scratch it. You should control it. If you scratch, then it will become so dull, it will become so light, it won't look this dark. You have to control it. Carrying wise, same. The tattoo shop, if they give any cream, you can apply that cream. Otherwise, your coconut oil is enough. Just before doing face wash, you have to apply that oil, and before taking bath, you have to apply. After taking bath and face wash, just you shouldn't rub it. You just tap and you have to clean it. That's it. Now we will check about this kajal tattoo. Kajal tattoo. They will make, see, below this eyelashes and little bit above this eyelashes. But no one will make the kajal tattoo on this waterline. So, after taking this kajal tattoo, anyhow, whenever you go outside, you have to apply kajal. Because if you don't apply kajal, see, now maybe in video it's not looking weird, but if you see in reality, it will feel weird. Because here I have eyeliner and here I have kajal. What about this line? Mainly kajal is for this waterline, correct? So without applying that, it will look little bit weird, pain wise. Yes, it will be painful. And compared to this above and eyebrow tattoo, it will be more painful than that. uh, then swelling, yes, swelling will happen, so very less, and it has gone within a day. It didn't take 2 days, 3 days, and I didn't get too much swelling, very light swelling. It was looking just if I wake up and come outside, how it will look like that. Little bit redness, not too much, too reddish. It wasn't looking like that. Very little bit reddish. Then yes, this tattoo also will fade after 3 years. So if you guys want, you can retouch a bit, and if you are okay with it, you can just leave it. I'll show you guys in close up. Duration. Uh, for eyebrow tattoo, yeah, 1 hour. Eyeliner tattoo, 1 hour. Kajal, all the tattoo you can consider 1 hour. Maximum 45 minutes. It's depending upon you how you are managing the pain. If you are okay to do continuously, then it will finish in 45 minutes. It won't take even 1 hour. But if you want in between some break and all, then of course it will take 1 hour. It's max to max 1 hour, not more than that. Now I'll show you guys after applying kajal how it will look. I can show you the full look, complete look. This is the finishing look. I'll show you guys in close up. This is the finishing look. So if you guys ask me suggestion, of course I will suggest you to do eyebrow or eyeliner or kajal tattoo. It's not much painful, and it will be long lasting. And yeah, the main thing price wise, I paid only 3,000 for eyebrow tattoo because I got a 4 years before. I think 4 to 5 years before. Then this eyeliner tattoo I paid 7,000 that I did in Navi Mumbai, and this kajal tattoo I did in Navi Mumbai. I'm going to make that video. I will mention that video link also in this description. If you guys want, you guys can check it out. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.